Oh my god, that's a real police.
Baby, I'm not mad at all. We both tried and tasted fall. Can't hold our love against the wall. No.
Hi friends, welcome to today's video. Today is such a fun day. We are going to be doing a parade for kids' teachers, and we are going to make a sign that we can put on the side of our car. It is Teacher Appreciation Week, so we're really excited to be able to see the teachers in person. So we're making cards for them, and I'm going to put together a little gift with like a gift card and a nice sweet note in it for them. We really appreciate the teachers. During the school year, they are constantly packing knowledge into our kids, and I really appreciate them. But since the teachers have had to try to figure out this whole social distancing thing, it has added way more stress and responsibilities to their plate, mine included. But I really appreciate the teachers because I can't even imagine how much it took to like relearn how to be a teacher online, get all the kids set up with all the logins and answer all the questions, and be at every single Zoom meeting every single day. So we appreciate all you teachers out there. The girls are making a sign of one of the teachers' names that we're gonna put on the side of the car, and we're gonna honk, and we're gonna scream, and we're gonna say what? What are we gonna say? What are we gonna say to the teachers?
Thank you for teaching.
Thank you, and we love you, and we miss you. So the girls are being really creative with their coloring. Good job, Lily Billy. I love it. So they're gonna finish that up, and then I'm gonna put together a little gift for the teacher.
Wait, can I?
A drink going for myself. So, confession. I have not been eating healthy during this quarantine. For the first couple weeks, things were really hectic, and I was just eating what I could, pizza, nuggets, whatever. I know, off kids' plates, because I was so overwhelmed with the stress of the pandemic, trying to get in the swing of homeschooling, taking care of all the kids. My husband has been in and out for work. There's a lot going on in our household right now, and getting used to homeschooling was not easy. I actually started using Teamy Greens. I decided to partner with them on this video, so thank you so much, Teamy Greens, for sponsoring today's video. I really needed something to get me going. By the time I was done with homeschooling at 12 o'clock, I felt sluggish and hungry, and hi. I wasn't hungry for breakfast at all, and all I had was coffee in the morning, and by the time 12 o'clock rolled around, I felt like I just scarfed on things that were not healthy because I needed to eat to go about my day and get some energy. It just wasn't working, and I felt a huge difference in my body. It was just kind of slowing down. I was crankier, I was tired. You know, I didn't have the energy to get things done because I wasn't eating well, and I know that's my fault, but it wasn't working. So about a week ago, I started drinking Teamy Greens. I have one of these really cool tumblers, and I filled it with ice and some low sugar juice and some water as well. And then all I'm gonna do, I'll show you what I do. Add 1 scoop of this. Teamy Greens is actually a green superfood powder, and it really has helped to increase my energy to get everything done throughout the day. You know, it's really difficult for me personally to eat vegetables. This way I don't really have to worry about if I get it for the day or not. It definitely is just a helping hand in making sure I get all of my nutritions in. Just add 1 scoop to it, and I shake it up, and it's ready to go. And it actually tastes pretty good. It tastes like a green drink from Jamba Juice. It's really, really good. So this is what it looks like. This is the container it comes in. It's 11.28 ounces. This will last me quite a long time. You know, you can put it in water, juice, smoothies, even put it in like soups or food, things like that, whatever you like. I've heard people putting in eggs before. I'm gonna have to try that. It has 16 superfood ingredients. It's 100% plant-based, vegan, GMO-free, gluten-free, and dairy and soy-free. There's no fillers, additives, artificial flavoring, if that stuff that's really not good for you. It's just really good. I've seen a huge difference in my energy, and I have, especially around 12:30, when I'm losing my energy from all the homeschooling, the 5 children, you know, I just have this and I grab it and go to the park. Vegetables are really good for gut health as well as just overall energy boost, things like that. So I really appreciate Teamy Greens giving me a little something to get through the day. As a mom, you know, things get a little bit hectic, so I need that little bit of an extra boost, and I need to know that I'm getting all of my vegetables in, no matter how I eat throughout the day. So thank you again, Teamy Greens, for sponsoring today's video. I have a coupon code for you guys, 25% off your first order. I will put it here. I'll also put it in the description box below. Thank you so much, Teamy Greens, for sponsoring this video. Let's get to the parade and show these teachers some appreciation. All right, we are in the car and we're just about to show Ace's teacher some appreciation. We're having a teacher appreciation parade. All of the classmates and parents are here, and we put signs, and we're gonna blast music, and we're gonna honk, and we're gonna drive by her house, do a little drive-by and surprise her. And what are we gonna tell her?
We love you, Miss
We love you. We miss you.
Thank you for being a great teacher.
Thank you for being a good teacher.
Thank you for being my teacher.
Yes, and then Ace, it's Ace's teacher, so Ace is gonna run up and put a card, a really sweet note that we wrote from our family, and we also got her an Amazon gift card to show our appreciation. We're just waiting for a couple more kids and parents to show up, and then we will caravan out of here. Okay, here we go. Off to show our appreciation. Yay, Miss Martin!
Do 2 force.
Her house looks so beautiful.
Look at her. Yay, Miss Martin! Go.
Oh my god, that's a real police.
Woo, Miss Martin! Get out, Lily, so you can say hi.
Hi, Miss Bowden.
Here, get out of there. Hold on. Lily, why didn't you get buckled up, sweetheart? There you go. Okay, wave to Miss Bowden out there.
Hi, Mrs. Bowden.
Look at Lily. Say hi, Miss Bowden. Hi, wave to her. Hi. Say we miss you.
I miss you.
We miss you.
We miss you, Mrs. Bowden. Mrs. Bowden.
Hi, Miss
Love
Bowden.
you. Love you.
Your house looks so pretty.
Yay, Miss Bowden.
Oh, I thought you were sign. That's a dad.
No, that's her husband. They're all, is that her dad? That's Mr. Bowden. Say hi, Mr. Bowden.
Hi, Mr. Bowden. A real loud police car. Whoa, that kid's sitting in the bed.
Yeah. Make sure you film the parade. Film everybody outside.
Nobody's outside. Oh, no.
There's our little boy.
Just playing on the house. That's me.
All right, over here, guys. Tally, say goodbye.
Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Yay.
Now can I talk to everyone?
Okay, that's about it for this vlog today. I am gonna finish up laundry here. I got a couple more loads coming out. The kids are just finishing their treats and ice creams and things, and then Mama is gonna put a movie on for them while I get some editing and paperwork done. I got some bills to pay and just a lot of stuff to do in my office, but that's super boring to watch. So, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay safe, stay home. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys. If you are not following my Instagram, it's the same handle as here, Christy Gior. Follow me over there. I do more of like day-to-day real and raw mom type content over there, and it's also another way for you guys to get to know us a little bit better. And then also check out these videos here. They are probably my most recent videos that I've posted, so make sure you check those out to learn more about our family. Bye guys, have a great day.